In today's video, I'm going to teach you Miro productivity hacks for 2025. The latest updates combine smart AI assistants, seamless integrations, and powerful formatting tools to help you move from ideas to execution without context switching. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Start with Miro Assist as your sidekick. Instead of combing through brainstorming notes, use the to-do extractor to analyze sticky notes and text on your board and turn them into a clean, structured task table. It's a fast bridge from discussion to action. Always give the output a quick review to confirm owners, priorities, and deadlines. Next, let the canvas be your prompt. Select the items you want the AI to consider, like a diagram, images, or a cluster of sticky notes, and then instruct it to expand on the existing diagram or summarize only the green sticky notes. Because the selection becomes the context, your results are far more relevant than starting from a blank prompt box. When kicking off a new initiative, jump into AI-accelerated templates from Miroverse. These templates come with built-in sidekicks and flows that guide you step by step, helping you go from a problem statement to a system architecture in minutes. They're great for standardizing how your team works while keeping momentum high. If you collaborate globally, use board translation. Select any objects and translate them into one of the supported languages instantly. This avoids copy-paste into external tools and keeps everyone aligned on the same canvas. For organizing complex information, lean on synced views. Build your project once in a table, then switch to timeline or Kanban, all powered by the same data. Updates in one view automatically reflect in the others, so stakeholders can choose the format they prefer without creating duplicate work. In tables, use formulas to calculate scores, budgets, or effort. Then format numbers as progress bars to make trends and status pop visually. This reduces the need to export into spreadsheets and keeps analysis in context. Automate repetitive handoffs with Miro flows. Tie changes in a flowchart to real actions, like creating a task in Jira or sending a Slack notification when a status changes, so your diagram drives the workflow, not the other way around. Maintain consistency with synced copies. Embed frames or diagrams from one board into others. When the source updates, every embedded copy updates too. It's perfect for shared timelines, dependencies, or design systems. Finally, supercharge discovery and content reuse. With search powered by Glean, look across your company's knowledge, Confluence, Slack, Drive, right from Miro, then drag relevant docs onto the canvas to use as context for planning or AI prompts. And when you need Office files, drag in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. They convert into editable Miro docs, tables, and slides, saving hours of formatting and keeping everything in one place. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.